Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a form using a unique email in form. Let's get started. First, go to your form, then head over to the Builder section. Click on the email field. On the right side, scroll down until you find the unique option, and switch it on. You can also include a custom error message if you like. To save these changes, simply click on the Update button. Now, let's go ahead and submit a form. The form has been submitted. Now, let's try to submit another form with the same email address. As you can see, when attempting to submit the form again with the same email, it will display an error message stating, "That field is taken. Try another." Thanks for watching this video.